Hi students, the purpose of this video is to talk about the Critical Evaluation Planner Part 1. You will be using this planner and the next planner, Part 2, to organize and brainstorm and think critically about the information provided in the instructor assigned Unit 4 reading. Be sure to check with your instructor if you are not clear on which reading it is that you are focused on in Unit 4. Since this is the first assignment that we are grading in Unit 4, it is especially important that you know that you are responding to a different reading than what you used during Units 1 and 2 and 3. We are now in Unit 4, so we are focused on something new. You will want to download this planner. You will want to have the article that your instructor has assigned for Unit 4 in front of you. You will be filling out some summary elements. You can probably already tell that by filling out these 4 questions and answers, you will make writing the summary much easier for yourself, because you will have a lot of important information right here. When it comes time to write the summary later on in the semester, you will refer to this planner. You will then get into evidence. In your instructor-provided reading, your instructor has made a claim, your author has made a claim, and a claim must be backed up and supported by evidence. This is the point where you will want to highlight what evidence does that author use to prove his or her point. Identify type of evidence, persuasive appeals, and evaluate in terms of relevance, accuracy, and credibility. The section on evidence requires you to find 3 pieces of evidence and write about them. Then you need to get into logical fallacies. Fallacies are weakness or errors in logic. For the most part, students are going to need to use the learning materials. Most students at this point in their college careers have not taken that many courses that are focused on logic and fallacies and rhetorical appeals. So it is especially important that you have taken the time to read through the learning materials of this unit. After you have spent quite a bit of time with the instructor assigned article, you will then get into counter evidence. Counter evidence, the rest of this worksheet, 3 more questions, involves the article you found on your own using the library databases. In this part of this assignment, you aren't dealing with the article assigned by your instructor. You are dealing with the article you located. You are going to examine your new author's views. How does your author treat the issue, the point in question? What type of evidence does your author bring up that might counter the evidence presented in the original article? So you will answer questions 1, 2, and 3 about the second article you are using in Unit 4. Eventually, you will be writing a paper about how your author and how the original author assigned by your instructor have dealt with the issue at hand and made their case to their respective audience members. You will want to upload the Critical Evaluation Planner Part 1 evidence through D2L, but make sure you have also looked at the rubric so that you know how your instructor is going to assign points. Good luck.